Stop premature ejaculation in 3 ways. As a man, when you experience premature ejaculation and you want to put an end to it, adopt these 3 ways naturally to put an end to it. And with God on your side, premature ejaculation will be a thing of the past. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the 3 natural ways you can use or adopt to clear or stop premature ejaculation. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, endeavor to subscribe and turn on the bell to get notified when next I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Now, what is a premature ejaculation? A premature ejaculation is a condition when a man comes at unexpected time, and this can make him and his partner unhappy. So to put a stop to this problem, adopt these 3 simple ways that I want to share in this video. And if you adopt them, please endeavor to be consistent. Avoid anyone you need to avoid and see your life will change for good. Number 1 is to treat infection. How do you treat infection? As a man, you always experience premature ejaculation. The best thing you need to do is to go for medical checkup, or you go for computer diagnosis, so that computer will check your body system to know or ascertain if there is anything like infection. And once there is infection, treat it and treat it thoroughly. You can use drugs like antibiotics to treat infection, and with this your body system will come back, will normalize, and you will start performing well as a man. Number 2 way you can use to treat or stop premature ejaculation is to make sure that you eat healthy food or balanced diet. After you might have treated infection, the next thing you need to do is to make sure that you eat a healthy food, a balanced diet, food that contains all the classes of food, vitamins and minerals, carbohydrates, protein, so on and so forth. You know them. Eat food that contains all the classes of food. With this, it will help to set your body system. It will help to boost up your immunity and put your immune system in the perfect state. And once your immune system is in a perfect state, that is when it will help you to perform well as a man. That is when it will also improve your fertility. So make sure that you eat good food. Be consistent with this. It will also help you to stop premature ejaculation. Now, number 3 and the last which you need is to take raw fruits and raw vegetable. You can take raw vegetable like garden egg vegetable, spinach and other vegetable, depending the country you come from. You know the vegetables that you eat raw or you take raw, and along the line take fruits and vegetable. These are what you need to take naturally that will help you to stop premature ejaculation. In case you experience premature ejaculation, eat fruits on daily basis. Fruit will also improve your performance, improve your immunity, and boost up your performance as a man. So make sure that you eat or take raw fruits and raw vegetable. This would improve your blood flow and blood circulation, and with this you will perform well as a man. So these are the 3 ways, simple ways, that will help you to stop premature ejaculation, and with this you will perform well and last longer as a man. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I believe that you get value. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell to get notified when next I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions or comments, drop it down in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. I wish you the best and good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.